Gilas Pilipinas' spirited rally just fell short as it bows down to Poland, 82-80, at the end of its two-game friendlies for the coming Fiba Olympic qualifying tournament. The national team went silent at the start of the final quarter, allowing the host team to uncork a 9-0 run and stretched a slim 2-point lead to a 67-56 advantage to take control of the match held at the city of Sosnowiec. The lead had its largest at 76-62, before Gilas threatened behind the hot hands of Dwight Ramos to make it an 82-77 game with 1:41 left to play. Chris Newsom had a chance to pull the Filipinos closer in the final minute, but could only split his charities as the Polish, ranked number 15 in the world, held on for the win. It was the second straight loss for the team in 3 days after absorbing an 84-73 defeat to Turkey on Friday in Istanbul, as the Filipinos now departs for Riga, Latvia for the Paris Olympic qualifiers. Justine Brownlee had a game-high 30 points for Gilas, which shot better from the floor at 52%, 32 of 61, and out-rebounded the opposition, 42-21. But the Filipinos committed 23 turnovers compared to the 13 of Poland, while shooting just 9 of 14 from the foul line where the host country was a perfect 15 of 15. The Polish also had 15 steals while the Philippines had 9. Ramos finished with 16 points, 9 rebounds, 5 assists, and 3 steals. Junmar Fajardo added 10 points, while frontcourt partner Kai Sato with 8 points and 11 rebounds. Michael Sokolowski was 3 of 4 from deep to lead Poland with 21 points, while Jeremy Sochin, the 21-year-old forward of the San Antonio Spurs, had 8 points and 4 rebounds in 12 minutes of play. Gilas actually came off to a rousing start and led 23-16 in the first quarter, before Poland heat up in the second period to take a 3-point lead at the break, 41-38. The scores: Poland, 82, Sokolowski 21, Balcerowski 10, Huda 8, Sachin 8, Panitka 7, Zyskowski 6, Ziwa 5, Malisic 5, Michalak 5, Niziol 5, Mazurczak 2, Zolnierwicz 2. Philippines, 80, Brownlee 30, Ramos 16, Fajardo 10, Sato 8, Newsom 6, Aguilar 4, Tamayo 4, Perez 2, Oftana 0, Kiambo 0. Quarter scores: 16-23, 41-38, 58-56, 82-80. For more news, scores, and highlights, kindly hit the subscribe, like, share and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much.